type of thinking is why entrepreneurs in many cases don't come from a traditional type of education, because they learn through application, through failure. They learn through going through the process, and they understand that vision doesn't always come out fully formed. But in today's age, you pull out your phone and I'll be walking down Walmart and I see a price on a good. And the first thing that I'll do is I'll go over to Amazon and see what the price is based on that. So where I'm going with this is that consumers, you and I, have so many more options where it's not just a bait and switch type of pull because there's limited resources and where you can access certain things. But what technology has done and where this new model is shifting to is it's opened up a plethora of research and opportunities for the consumers to actually look. We're unveiling the products, right? And they can actually look and see. So again, the establishment as we know it, we can even go as far as saying like the centralized banking system, because the US dollar is going into an inflationary scenario. That traditional system as we know it is starting to crumble. The government is in more debt than they can keep up with, right? So the system is going belly up. We're right in the middle of this massive shift, a disruption in the market, if you will. And so if you lean in and you figure out how you can think strategically, how you can dive in and create a business or systems and processes, and begin with the end in mind by saying, hey, where is the money being deployed? Where do I see the most amount of activity shifting in the industry? And how can I position myself to be able to create a suction cup, right? To pull some of that liquidity or opportunity out of the market. And that type of thinking is why entrepreneurs in many cases don't come from a traditional type of education, because they learn through application, through failure. They learn through going through the process, and they understand that vision doesn't always come out fully formed, right? Your vision, you take one step at a time as you realize your vision. You know the end result and the goal that you're aiming for, but sometimes that whole journey is undefined, and you need to chart your own course and be a pioneer in your given field in order to figure out how to accomplish the results that you are seeking. There's never been a better time in history to network with other people from across the globe. There's never been a better time for you to step out and build a team of partners, of people that understand the vision, and you guys can work together in unison in order to accomplish a common objective. Again, the old model is dying, and it's opening up the playing field for you and I, right? For everyday people, everyday consumers, where we can step out and create our life with purpose on our terms. So the question is, why not? Why not you? Why not step out and risk everything for a vision that nobody can see but yourself, right? And these are the questions that I ask myself every single day. But it's also the questions that have brought to light how broken the traditional system is, the traditional education system. So at the end of the day, centralized control of the gatekeepers, right? The global elite, the gatekeepers, whatever you want to call it, that wall has been broken down. It's been obliterated, right? And it's opening up the opportunity for you and I to get in the game. So again, decentralized finance, blockchain technology, real estate industry, right? A lot of different opportunities to step into, but you can see there's new technologies and even new currencies that are unrolling right in front of our faces. So it's the people that are willing to take advantage of those opportunities who will inherit this next generation coming forward. So if nothing else, I hope that this video encourages you to look and dive a little bit deeper and question some of those deep-rooted beliefs that we've held on to since a very young age. The old model is dying and our time is now. What are you going to do with it?